Have you ever watched one of those crazy dashcam videos online and thought, yeah, I should probably get one of those before something happens to me? Because honestly, with how unpredictable roads can get these days, having a dashcam almost feels less like a luxury and more like insurance you hope you never need. So today, we're taking an honest look at the Osmo Dashcam Pro. What it does well, where it falls short, and whether it's actually worth buying or just another tech gadget with fancy marketing. Now, the Osmo Dashcam Pro is designed to continuously record your driving footage while offering features like high-resolution video capture, night vision support, loop recording, parking monitoring, and app connectivity. Basically, it's supposed to be your silent witness on the road. And honestly, first impressions are pretty decent. The design is compact and modern, which is important because nobody wants a huge, distracting camera hanging from their windshield. It blends into the car fairly well and doesn't scream "steal me" from outside. Setup is also simpler than I expected. You mount the camera, plug it into power, install the app, and you're mostly good to go. If you've used any modern smart device before, you probably won't struggle much here. Now, let's talk about the actual recording quality, because that's obviously the most important part. During daytime driving, footage looks pretty sharp. License plates are generally readable under good lighting conditions, and the wide-angle view captures a decent amount of the road without looking overly distorted. Colors also look natural enough. Some cheaper dash cams tend to overprocess footage until everything looks weirdly artificial, but the Osmo Dashcam Pro keeps things fairly balanced. Night driving is where things get more interesting. The low-light performance is honestly decent for the price range, but it's not magic. Street lights and headlights still play a huge role in clarity. In well-lit city areas, footage remains usable, but on darker roads, details can definitely soften a bit. And honestly, that's pretty common for a lot of dash cams, unless you're spending significantly more money. One thing I did like is the loop recording system. Once the storage fills up, it automatically overwrites older footage, so you don't constantly have to manage files manually. There's also parking monitoring, which can record incidents while your car is parked, useful if someone bumps your vehicle or something suspicious happens nearby. But of course, there are some downsides too. The mobile app experience feels a little inconsistent at times. Sometimes connectivity works smoothly, and other times it can feel slightly slow or annoying when transferring footage.
Now, I checked Reddit and dashcam forums because honestly, that's where you find the real long-term opinions. A lot of users liked the overall value and ease of use. Several people mentioned that the camera gave them peace of mind during daily commuting, road trips, or rideshare driving. Some users also praised the compact design and straightforward installation process. But there were definitely mixed experiences too. A few users complained about occasional app crashes or connection issues. Others felt the video quality was good, but not dramatically better than some cheaper competitors. And interestingly, several people mentioned that reliability over time matters more than flashy specs. Because honestly, a dashcam is only useful if it actually records properly when something happens. That's probably the most important thing people forget. So overall, should you buy the Osmo Dashcam Pro? Honestly, if you want a reasonably modern dashcam with solid recording quality, useful safety features, and a fairly easy setup process, it's a respectable option. But if you expect cinematic quality footage in every lighting condition or flawless app performance, you may end up slightly disappointed. At the end of the day, the Osmo Dashcam Pro feels more like a practical everyday safety tool than a flashy tech upgrade. And honestly, that's probably exactly what most drivers actually need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.